It is a 2-speed gearbox. When you switch the gears though, with the reduction, you got to kind of twist the chuck about a quarter turn to get it to switch gears. And I noticed the last rep that had it dulled out the cutters again. Normally they'll cut a little quicker, and normally the plug will pop right out. You can always tell a dull cutter because the plug will hang out.
No.
That is spring loaded, so it will pop your plug right out.
This extra extension up here, the guys like this too, the extra room. That's different than some of them out there. Some of them are a lot closer to the material.
40 units travel 4-inch up. So they got to then again use a stubby twist drill. So it's neat.